Meaning of exemplification.
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 Exemplification. Exemplification refers to the act of providing examples or instances that serve as evidence or proof of a concept or idea. Through exemplification, one can clarify and support their argument, helping to make a more convincing case. By providing concrete and specific examples, exemplification can help to make an abstract or complex idea more clear and understandable for those who may not be familiar with the subject matter. In essence, exemplification is a tool used to effectively communicate complex ideas in a way that can be easily understood and interpreted by others.